So I got this like a few days ago and arrived like right now. So we're just gonna unbox it. You'll see. We got some slime. Oh, half of them fell. Whoa. Oh. Why does that smell so good though? That actually smells so good though. It is very sticky though. I just made a mistake. Why is it so sticky? Whoa! Oh. Wow, half the instructions and stickers fell on the floor. What's even the point of these? Are these like stickers or what? No point in those. I was gonna rip them up. So. Sprinkles! I'm definitely gonna make a mess of this. Let's see, which one should we do first? Whoa. Wow. Wow, that's actually really cool. I actually like this one. And you can also put some stuff in it. I actually really like this. So as you guys can see. Aww. They're actually so small and tiny. So, watch. And then, you just put it, falls. And it just puts in like that. So cool. Oh, and it sticks. Pretty cool. That just smells really good though. Oh, half of it fell. Does anybody like the clicking sound? Apple, I guess. Oh, peach. This looks very sussy. This emoji. Ugh. But this pineapple. I love this candy though. Ooh. You do get a lot, including the black one. Let's test it. Whoa. Whoa. Wee. Whoa. Actually smells really good though. Oh, it sticks. It's actually really cool. Make up into little balls. Sand. It's like sand. So squishy. Ooh. I really do love this. So squishy. See? Oh my. It does stick though. It does stick a lot. As you guys can see. And this is what it looked like. Pretty sure I have one more stuck in here. Yeah, I do. It's all covered in it. Help. Help, it's all covered in it. Okay, I'm just gonna have to wash this off because it's like it's sticking onto this and I can't get it off at all. So these are what they look like. You just put it in there. La la. You even have like the red ones. Ooh, it's sticking onto that. This one's probably the stickiest one of them all. Does it even stick into the microphone? Okay. Sound check. What was that anyways? What is a sound check anyways? I got half of them sick. So these are what they look like. The whole chop. Oh, they all dropped. Oh my god! I made a whole mess here. I'm pretty sure half of them fell on the floor. Yeah, half of them did. And please help me because I can't get this black one off. I just can't. So just help me. So half of them fell on the floor. So if I can just find one. Yeah, right there. It's just all covered in it. Aw, orange. Cute. Let's see, what else are they? Oh, why does that sound so good? Oh. Wait, this is the best part. That stinks though. Oh. I got half the black in there. Ah. Really good. Let's see. I want one closed for some reason. Pow. Oh, it fell. Ooh. Why did that actually sound really good though? Just the way it sounds when you do this. Well, just the way it is. It's like, we got even more of these. I don't even know where the wrapping is at all, so. I did not know this, but there's a little dinosaur. And the candies. Ice cream. And half of the stuff is stuck on there. Still. I love this one. This one's really good. This would be nice if you put it onto like this yellow one. In fact, let's open it. Wow. That actually looks really good though. It actually smells really good. It's it's so yellow. It's like, I don't know if you guys can tell. It looks so yellow. Hold on, watch this. Wow, that actually sounds really good. I'm not gonna lie. Now this is something good to put this on. See, it's good for that. Except when it sticks onto there, then that's when it becomes a problem. Come on. You'll be spending 4 hours just trying to get this off though. Ugh. And you just spend more time trying to get the stuff off that you just, yeah. I'm gonna try to work hard and try to have the stuff off. Especially this one, which is, I have to do that now. This actually looks like liquid. Oopsies. Why am I doing it so hard? That's actually really good though, not gonna lie. Well, this is the better time to just do it. So you just put it in there, snap it onto there, and that's basically how it is. And I just realized it's kind of like, oof. Yeah. So that's what happens when you get So these slimes are really good because I really love these little toy things you can put in there, but I'm not gonna put in there because I'm afraid it's gonna stick in there, and I'm gonna be able to get them back. You also can get more of these, but I don't want to open them and cause more of a mess like I did right now. So that's why I'm not gonna open them. But if you can see in there, you got more stuff like a little rainbow, a little mermaid with little cookies and all that stuff. In fact, this, let's see, and these are literally like my favorite toy of these. Also known as charms. Well, I really love this one. Comment down below which one is your favorite because I really want to know. I think it's probably this little this candy, the dinosaur, this lemon, let's see what else, and this little ice cream. And of course, this cherry, I think. I don't know. Well, those are probably my favorite out of these emojis. And also, we can't remember, before we end it off for the day, we can't forget the purple. Ooh, that actually looks satisfying. Let's rewind it. Wow. It's sticking to the top. No joke. This is the stickiest one I reviewed. Oof. Help. Okay, help. I'm stuck. And I'm sticking to the slime very muchly. Well, help. I'm stuck forever here. And yeah, I'm stuck, technically. Ah! Come on. Get off. Well, that's it, I guess. And I'm gonna have a hard time trying to get half of this off. Ugh. Pray for me, because this is gonna be hard to come off. Yeah. So, I guess.